Alright, what's up guys? We have Ginuning Kapampangan, Santo Tomas.
Yeah, Santo Tomas.
Ginulat mo ang lahat.
Yes, of course.
Tama ba?
Yes.
Kasi di ba during the press presentation wala kang boses.
Yes, actually,
Tapos, di ba,
I'm very sad that day, pero gumawa akong paraan para makasagot.
bumalik ka, no? Nag-bounce back ka ng
Actually,
sobrang galing. So, paano ka nag-prepare?
I prepare here, not only in a month, I prepare here during I watched the Mr. Pampanga last year. And it has become part of my preparation. And now,
Okay.
I believe that this is my time. This is my time for myself and for my municipality to represent it here in Ginuning Kapampangan. And I will make sure that I'll be showing the best version of myself now.
Yeah, so congratulations.
Thank you for
It was a
supporting me. What's your
great
name, by the way?
Joseph.
Joseph. Thank you for coming here in Pampanga. Hope you enjoy here Pampanga.
Looking forward to see you
Yes, hoping.
being crowned.
Yes.
Right?
Hoping soon.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you.